In this video, I'll be discussing the software development life cycle (SDLC) flow, including its phases and an overview. The SDLC is a process used to develop software applications, consisting of several phases. The first phase is planning, where the project requirements are identified and analyzed. The second phase is analysis, where the requirements are further refined and documented. The third phase is design, where the software architecture and design are planned. The fourth phase is development, where the software application is coded and integrated. The fifth phase is testing, where the software application is tested for quality assurance. The final phase is maintenance, where the software application is updated and maintained. Conclusion. In conclusion, the SDLC is an important process for software development, consisting of several phases. By understanding the phases and overview of the SDLC, you can ensure successful software development projects. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content on software development and related topics. Thanks for watching.